Alright, if you ever wondered how different types of effects are added in games, or how they're animated, here's a fast motion clip of me trying to add a fade in and fade out effect in Unity. I was trying to recreate an effect I quite liked in a game I used to play as a kid called Bomberman. When I died in that game, a ray would cover up the entire screen. I thought that was really cool. Anyways, if you guys don't want to see all my struggles, skip to the end. The effect is not finalized yet. I need my team's approval, but I think this is a start. Okay, so after all those attempts, this is the final version. I realized midway through that I was working on the same animation clip, so no matter what I did, it was just changing the same animation clip over and over and over again. So yeah, anyways, so yeah, this is the final animation clip. I don't know if I like this, and by the way, there's a lag, and that lag is essentially my computer running everything at the same time, but when I render it, there won't actually be any sort of lag. So I collected the key. I know you guys can't tell because that's how it's supposed to be for now. And then I die, and there you go. You fade in into that, and then you fade out. Yeah, okay. There you can see there's no lag. Anyway, so yeah, that was the end product. Hopefully you guys enjoyed me struggling through all that. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.